Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing the winner of the vellum card blanks that I gave away in the video last month where I created these vellum cards. I hope you'll stick around and see if you're one of the winners. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope by the end of the video you'll be inspired to click that subscribe button below. If you're already a regular viewer and subscriber, thanks so much for stopping back by. As I mentioned in the intro, I am here today to share who won the vellum card bases that I gave away as a hidden giveaway in the video last month where I created these 3 vellum cards in front of me. In that video, I said I would be choosing one winner who would receive 10 vellum card bases, but because it has taken me so long to get back here and make this winner video, I will be choosing 2 winners today. If your name is one of the ones drawn today, make sure to watch to the end of the video to find out how you can claim your prize. If your name isn't drawn today, make sure to stay subscribed because the winners will only have 1 week to contact me before I come back and draw a new winner. Here's a look at the video where I had the hidden giveaway. Among other things to be qualified, the entrants had to leave a comment with the hashtag vellum cards. And here in just a minute when I go to pick the winner, you'll see that this was important to make sure it was in your comment. To pick the winners today, I'm going to be using the YouTube random comment picker. Once I have pasted my URL for the video into the box, I click off the filter duplicate users, and then I add the hashtag that each of the comments had to include to be entered. This way it will only choose comments that have the hashtag, and then people who weren't interested and just wanted to leave a comment, their name won't pop up accidentally. Let's go ahead and see who the first winner is. Once all that information is filled in, I just click on the start button, and then it's going to pop up a name here. And congratulations to Linda Torres Lopez. Congrats, Linda. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out how you're going to claim your prize. Let's go ahead and pick our second winner. Click start again, and our second winner of the card bases is Diane De Vincenzo. Sorry if I totally butchered that. Congratulations, Diane. Here in just a little bit, I'll let you know how to claim your prize. Congratulations, Linda and Diane. To claim your prize, what you need to do is send me an email, and my email is always listed in the description box of each video. In the subject line, put vellum card blank winner or something like that, and then come back to this video. Leave a comment below with the first 3 letters of your email address. Once you have done both of those things, I will reply to the email you sent me, and I will find out where you would like your card bases sent to. Today is Sunday, September 1st. You have 1 week to contact me, so I will give you until midnight on Sunday, September 8th. Like I mentioned before, after that I will come back. I will do 1 redraw if I am not contacted by the winners. Thanks so much to everyone who took the time to watch and enter. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.